Number one.
Or plus
Let's see.
or CCAM? A and C.
My first experience was an ARVO. I didn't know what to expect. I don't think I thought too much about what it was going to be like, and it was really fun.
My first conference was ARVO as well. I presented a poster, and the best part was really being in that poster area beside other scientists and then really just getting their tips and tricks on how to culture or certain assays that maybe I should think about. So that was great.
What helps or has helped me is planning. So, in advance, looking at the schedule and, picking out which sessions or lectures you want to attend, reaching out to people you might want to connect with in advance. So setting up meals and making sure you're eating and fueling yourself because it's a long weekend.
Sometimes I look beyond like the main sessions. They often have these other sessions that are smaller, maybe panel discussions, and then you might have a more exposure to potential mentors in the future. You're sitting there listening to them, and then maybe after the session you can go up and ask them another question. Every year is a different stage in my growth and then a stage in the field's growth. As we talked about before, being in medical school, just learning the language, seeing what's out there was really the focus. And then in residency, it's more, seeing your friends from the interview trail and catching up with them, and then also maybe starting to think about what you want to specialize in for fellowship and what fellowships are strong. What are the leaders in a certain program? What are they doing? What's their research? And where could you see yourself? And then finally, fast forward into fellowship and practice, it's what is your specialty? What are the gaps? What are the new frontiers that you want to be a part of?
But I also think for me, I've always found it a little bit recharging and refreshing and a good reminder of sort of what my goal is and what my purpose is. I think it's important to be proactive. It's very easy to feel a little bit overwhelmed or maybe even a little bit intimidated by how big the Congress is or who is attending and, trying to figure out what your role is in the meeting.
I started wearing backpacks instead of those one-sided bags because
That's really smart.
make a schedule,
It's a plan.
show up, and take that leap.